how to use Grammarly keyboard here on your device, or how you can set up a keyboard on your Android device, or how you can simply get the Grammarly keyboard here. Now the first step will be simply downloading the Grammarly keyboard setup from the Google Play Store. If you're using it on the Android device, click on search and find Grammarly keyboard just on your device. Now I have searched it. You can simply download it on your device by clicking on install. After installing it, you can simply open it on your device just like this. I'm opening. Click on get started. Click on agree. Open your setting and just set this keyboard as your default keyboard so that you can use it while typing or with any website on any application. So this is how you can exactly do it. You just have to enable your keyboard setting, and then you can simply allow all the things from this menu, and now you will be able to use this keyboard right on your chatting platform. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.